Good morning, guys. If you can't tell, hopefully you can tell. Hopefully I was able to do that cool like widescreen effect where the screen goes and the B-roll was really cool. Probably wasn't, but I got a new camera and I got some new editing software. I'm really trying to step up the game on these videos, so I'm hoping you guys like what's going on in this video. Give me feedback on this. But anyways, today's agenda, right? All right, so we've got the Miata engine for the RX-7 there, but Shiloh's S12 is here, and we need to go pick up a 1UZ. Now, my truck, it's the holidays, and I forgot that it needs to be registered, see? And my wife isn't gonna let me take her CX-5 to, you know, throw an engine in the back of her car. The only other car I've got that's registered, well, it's the Miata. So we're gonna quickly do a few things to the Miata, and we're gonna go take the Miata in the rain in the middle of December in Utah to go pick up a V8 in the Miata. So let's go get this engine. All right, so Shiloh's jacking up the Miata right now because we are going to install this V8 back here in the I don't know, trunk lid privacy, this thing, cargo package tray, that thing. So with a V8 sticking out of the back of this thing, we're probably gonna bottom out. So we need to we need to raise the Miata. God. Okay, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna raise the Miata so we don't bottom out. Yeah, so let's adjust some coilovers, get this hard top off, and you ready for an adventure, buddy?
So ready.
Yeah. All right. The last drift event. I was really stoked on these tires. They're some Lexanis, and the tread looked really, really good. You know, it looks fantastic. I was pretty shocked. We did like three days on these. I was like, all right, so we're good to just, you know, load up an engine into the Miata and drive back, and it's like an hour drive. Huh. Yeah. Well, the good news is we're taking side streets, so I think we'll be fine, right?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be great.
Yeah. So, anyways, yeah, we're gonna just send it, and yeah, now we gotta adjust these coils real quick.
All right, guys, we just installed some pretty sick coilovers on my Miata. It should be like hella flush and shit. Like, it's probably gonna tuck. So, fitment reveal. Yeah, let's go.
Hey, cut the camera. Cut the camera. All right, we just got gas. Put 20 bucks in her. It's probably plenty of gas for this thing. And how long is our drive?
51 minutes.
51 minutes. We're ready to go. We have a tire back here, a few tools with us, and ball tires that we just learned, but there's no going back. So, yeah, we'll pick up the camera along our way. Shiloh will get some really cool shots of all the really cool cars out here in Utah, like literally a Subaru. I was gonna say a Subaru and then Subaru. Yeah, Subarus. That's Utah. All right, let's go.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is that?
I'm here. Fly away! Fly! Hey, it's okay. I JB welded this one. It's not going anywhere. So I don't know if you guys can see this. It's filming, yeah? This hill's fucking massive and we're in a Miata. I'm not worried about the clutch part. I'm worried about being able to make it up this shit. Don't mind me, police officers. Alright, we're good. Oh my gosh, that was was insane. You guys probably couldn't tell on camera. We were just talking, and then massive hill just out of nowhere. That's some fitment right there, man. Yeah.
Tire got us.
Did it?
Told you.
Told you. All right, we'll pop the tire off. There we go. Is it gonna actually fit?
There's a pretty high chance.
Actually, should I put a pillow down right there where the oil pan's gonna sit?
Well, we can push it farther while we're doing this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see what you
All he's doing is keeping it square.
Yeah, okay.
And then we do something along those lines where we come down.
We're stuck on the
We're stuck on the cage. Yeah, it's on this side. Okay. Oh. Yeah. There we go.
You got
Good. Yep, just like that. Yeah, we're gonna have to repaint some stuff, but that's okay. Yeah. Woo! We're good. Yeah, I don't know what that was.
I don't know, you wanna grab that pillow?
Yeah.
tell him I got him more tires.
Pillow should be fine.
That's his driving pillow, so you can see over the steering wheel.
Hey!
Your wife's gonna bitch at you.
Yeah, it's pillow right off of our couch.
Alright, this is my fucking drum pillow, dude.
I know.
Hey, hold on.
We're hitting over here too.
Yeah,
It might brace up against that though.
no,
Nope.
it's just gonna get smashed in more.
Yeah, I think it'll brace it.
Take it up a little bit.
It's almost as bad as the bed. Come down?
Yeah, come down slow. I don't know how much you trust that.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Once we shift it over.
I think it helps keep it in place, honestly.
Square off in the front.
Yeah.
You
Very
gotta-
solid.
You gotta use it in the back to me. Oh my gosh.
This is great.
I need pictures of this.
Well, we got the engine in the car. That's a pretty quick way of how to install a 1UZ in your Miata. Everyone makes it sound super hard, but was that bad, Shiloh?
No.
I didn't think so. But now we got 51 minutes to get home, and hopefully we make it just fine. These kids are looking at us funny right now. Hey guys, we'll see if we can get some reactions of folks on the way home. I'm sure people are gonna look at us a little silly, like look at that guy right there. Hey, how's it going? So yeah, we'll update you. Hopefully nothing bad goes down. So yeah. We should try to elaborate. I don't know if they can hear us. We're supposed to take. Don't you do it, you fucking idiot! What are you doing? Sorry, guys. Anyways, No, we're losing oil pressure. Put that build oil pressure back up, please. Come on. Get you more level. It ended up taking us up a canyon. I don't know why, but it was pretty difficult, and the car was trying to lose oil pressure, so. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Build some oil pressure. I might turn the car off for a minute. So I think we should go back down the canyon and see if we can find a different route.
Yeah.
Temps were good, but oil pressure, no. But yeah, so we'll let the engine chill for a second, then go back down the hill. All right, well, we're good. Oil pressure's back. We found the right way to get back home. So far, for some reason, everyone that drives around us keeps speeding around us or by us. It's like they're scared of being behind us. I don't know why. It's just a Miata, but whatever. So we're making good progress here. Car feels good. We are kind of hungry, so we're thinking about getting some burgers. Shiloh thinks that In-N-Out is good. Leave a comment. I think In-N-Out's disgusting and tastes like cardboard, but he says it's better than anything he's ever had in his entire life. So leave a comment if you think In-N-Out is good, I guess. It's not.
Is that a J series?
1UZ.
1UZ?
1UZ.
Is you put it in that?
No, it's gonna go into S12.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. That's raw as hell.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, dude.
It fits good.
Yeah, dude. It looks great with the control bar.
Yeah,
Great
right?
support.
It's perfect. It's the quickest V8 swap in a Miata, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
Too.
Yeah, exactly. It's on Broken Daily on YouTube, the whole build.
Bet. I'll follow right now.
Sweet, thanks, man.
Yeah. Stopping to get some Carl's Jr. This goes hard, man. This is yeah. That fitment got a little better, so that's good. People's faces and their reactions have been priceless.
Great time.
It's great. Oh, yep. See, like right there, we got reaction right there. So all right, let's get some food. Good, good. That dude in that Focus right there that drove by, he just rolled up to the car just to take pictures of it. All right, y'all. Well, we finally made it home. We got the engine out of the Miata. Didn't film it because it is pitch black outside and you guys wouldn't be able to see anything. But this is the same process as you saw as we loaded it. Nothing crazy. But we are home. Engine's down. We spun it over. It spins over just fine. It seems like it's got good compression. Allegedly, the only thing wrong with this engine is it had some low oil pressure. He said that right as soon as oil pressure dipped, he cut the car off. And we know the guy personally, so I trust him. But
Colby.
yeah. So it just needs bottom end rebuilt. We already found everything online to, you know, throw the motor back together. How this fits so damn well right here, which is gonna be exciting. Get rid of that nasty, nasty, stupid V6 VG30E, not even DE, E for not enough. But yeah, they fit really well. Use a KA trans, which we have. It's gonna be a pretty cool, pretty simple install. And then we're gonna probably tub this as well because our buddy's was tubbed and it looks phenomenal. So I want us to do that here too, and it'll give us more room. But this is going to be a unit of a car. It has an S13 subframe and whatnot in the front. It's an S12, and yeah, this is gonna be a pretty massive build right alongside the RX-7 here. So the RX-7, we got the motor sitting right over there. We have a car full of garbage, mostly just wiring harnesses and what have ya. We have almost everything here to start working on this. So really we do. Just start doing it. So we both need to mock up these engines in the cars, and it's build season. And by springtime, Shiloh?
They should run.
By springtime,
They should run.
Shiloh. By springtime,
They should run.
I'm gonna kick your ass. Both cars will be running. We're going to the drift events next year with both these cars. Miata's good, and it's a trooper. It is now a work truck, even though I actually have a truck. And yeah, this kid over here is gonna start drifting. He's gonna have a great time with this 1UZ V8 powered S12. That's right. And yeah, so if you guys like the content, yeah, do the thing, you know, like and subscribe and stuff, because we're doing cool stuff over here, man. And the thing I like to say, it used to be stay motivated, but as you can tell, if I want to accomplish something, I just make it fucking happen, man. So just make shit happen. It doesn't matter how you do it, where you do it, when you do it, just do it. Don't be a bitch. Just do it. You. Also, subscribe, please. I'd appreciate that. Think that's it? All right. See you guys.